Welcome everyone, this is my quick review about SUNLU S8 printer. I really love this printer. This printer have super huge printing area, 310, 310, 400. Really nice and clean design. It comes almost pre-assembled. All cables is in place and so on. It's really nice made printer. Check these limit switches. Really cool, isn't it? This printer have two Z-axis. So it's super stable. And you get, of course, you get everything you need, all tools and so on. This printer have even LED light. Check this out. Yes, it is like it is, guys. It comes with all stuff you need, like I told before. I'm going to add link below so you can buy this printer. It's a really good price for such a big printer. I printed this in silk pella. It came really nice. No stringing, no nothing, no layer shifting and so on. I'm using SUN silk pella. For this print I used pella from local store. I have very little stringing, but I think this is not real stringing, just a couple of pieces. I really love this machine. It can make such a beautiful print. And actually, directly out of the box, I'm using Alphavise U30 printer before, and it's super quiet. This printer not such a quiet, but actually it's not very loud. I can show you. So look, like you hear it now. It's a standard Marlin. You cannot change drivers. If you want to change drivers, you must change whole motherboard. I really like this machine. Simple and tested extruder, like in all printers, like in Ender 3 and Creality. It's very similar to Creality actually. Maybe they add a little more bonuses. Super clean design, all cables placed and nice. They added, like I showed before, plastic limit switches or case for limit switches. Of course, it's eccentric spacers that you can adjust wheels, whole wheels actually. Like you see, it's also two axis, or I should call profiles, because this is extremely huge bed and it slides very easy and nice. Super easy to level this printer, like standard, in standard way. You just adjust those 4 screws. Standard. Enjoy, subscribe, and happy printing!